Is Oracle Database Client pathing failed due to the Managed Data Access Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. While we covered the technical fix for Managed Data Access Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Managed Data Access Library, the Oracle data provider for .NET, ODP.NET. It provides the unmanaged routines for connecting .NET applications to Oracle databases, managing the data link for enterprise information manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Managed Data Access belongs to Oracle Database Client Bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Oracle Database Client will restore this file and related components. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Managed Data Access Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Managed Data Access Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Managed Data Access Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Managed Data Access Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.